Now we have a taxon, which is a group of organisms in a classification system, as we mentioned before. And here we have actually seven hierarchy or seven levels of organization. If we take out the domain, then we have seven levels of organization, and it's abbreviated in the word which is known as King Philip came over for good spaghetti. King Philip, okay, came over for good spaghettis. Okay, what is the meaning of it? Actually, K referring to the kingdom. P in the Philip is referring to the phylum, PH in particular. C in came is referring to class. O referring to order. F referring to family. G referring to genuses. S referring to species. So what is the meaning of it? Yes, we have a species. This is the basic of the binomial nomenclature system, as I mentioned a couple of minutes. Okay, a closely related species are nested in one genus, and a closely related genera is the plural of genus, are nested in a higher, okay, hierarchy level and nested in one family. And more than one closely related families are nested in a larger or a higher hierarchy level in the structure or in the classification system, which is one order. And closely related orders are nested in a larger level of classification, which is known as a class. And so more than one closely related classes are being nested into or in a higher level of organization, which is known as a phylum. And more than one closely related phyla, plural of phylum is phyla, are being nested in a larger level of classification, which is known as a kingdom. And of course, closely related kingdoms are being nested in a larger level of classification, which is known as a domain. We have three domains of life, as you will know in a couple of seconds, and I'll come to this, but I need you to know this hierarchy system in which we started by a species and we end up by a kingdom. Okay. There is one question came here. In the bacteria and in plants, we are not using the word phylum, but instead we are using the word division. So this is one of the questions that came in exam as well. Okay, the word division, it is a taxon that is used instead of phylum in case we are classifying bacteria or we are classifying plants. And it is one question in SAT exam that came in this particular point before.